Hello everyone. In this video, we will be solving problem 3 from Shastra Coding Challenge 7A. So the problem says you are given a simple string and you need to perform arithmetic operation moving from left to right. So if it is said to add, we have to perform addition, minus for subtraction, multiply for multiplication and divide for division. Also, it should be an integer. So the final value cannot be float or double. The first line will contain an integer t denoting the number of test cases, and following lines will be string. So, for example, here 3 is the number of test cases, and we have 3 string. For example, if I take the string 1 add 2 add 3 minus 4, we have to go from left to right and add 1 to 2. Then we will get 3. Again, we have to add 3 to it, that is, we'll get 6. And then we have to subtract 4 from 6. So the final result will be 2. For doing this, initially, we can take the first number into a variable. Then we can modify the same number using the rest of the string, like add 2. We will perform 1 plus 2 and we will modify num to be 3. Then we will modify it to be 6 and then 2. So for doing this, we will take input the number of test cases as integer. Then we will iterate in range of t. We will take the string. Also, we have to remove any white spaces after or before the string using the step function. Then for taking the first number, it will not be always a single digit number. So we have to perform a while loop operation. Let's suppose I make a string. So while I is less than len of string, and we have to check it is an integer. So it should be a digit. Then only we will append it into num. Also, we have to increment I with 1. Then we will convert that list of digits into an integer using join function. Then for rest of the string, we will work in pair, like we will take the word and num. Again, we have to check len of string. And we have to do the same thing for word and new number. So this part is for the word. And here we have to check is alphabet. It is word. And because we are checking for alphabets, it should be string only, not integer. And for the next number, I'll change the word num with n. After we get the word and number, now we have to check all the conditions. If word is add, then we will perform addition to the original number num. Else if it is minus, we'll perform subtraction. Else if it is multiply, we'll perform multiplication. Else it would be division. Because we do not want the float value, we will have floor division, and then we will simply print num. Let's check if the code works. Okay, so append Line 13. Word dot append. Okay, so it works now. It is fine for all the test cases. So this is the code. Thank you.